Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You now begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into Firebase with a Google account and enable two-step verification when available. Once done, make sure you have a billing account for paid features. Otherwise, use the free Spark tier for initial testing. Create a new Firebase project, select a descriptive project name, and choose a default region to minimize latency. You should also link to an existing Google Cloud project if you have one. This preserves IAM and billing settings. Once the project exists, configure core Firebase services. First, enable authentication providers you plan to use, email, Google, phone, or OAuth, and configure OAuth redirect URIs for web apps. Next, initialize Firestore or real-time database, choose production rules instead of open test mode, and tailor security rules to your data model. Then add an app, web, iOS, or Android, register its bundle or package name, and copy the SDK config snippet into your codebase to initialize the Firebase client. Finish by installing the Firebase CLI, authenticating with Firebase login, and deploying hosting and cloud functions using Firebase Deploy. Only include the services you configured. Test user signups, database reads and writes, and storage uploads in a staging environment before production. Make sure to set up monitoring and alerts in the console. If something fails, check the Logs tab, enable debug output locally, and verify IAM roles and API enablement. This single troubleshooting step often reveals misconfigured permissions or missing APIs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.